Alright, so we got that off over there. The battery was down in there. It was stuck in there real good. This stuff's actually melted. And it was melted down in there, so I just had to pry it up out of there. And then this other little one popped out from right here. So now I'm going to start the process of getting this thing back together again. Turn it, I don't know if I need some pliers to do this or what. But let's see, where's my little hole? So small. I don't usually wear glasses, but I am for this. So let's see here. Can I get that down on something? Where's the little thing at? I can't even see it. Wow, I feel like I need tweezers.
He was using tweezers.
There we go. I think I got it. And then push that back down in there a little bit so you can get everything back together. Alright, so that should be, hopefully, that's connected. This is down there. Okie dokie. So then our next step is take this thing here, get it put back into place here. Got lots of little things around here. Whoops. Alright, so right here you have to, I put it back down on this side first and kind of got it under here and lined up my screw hole, and then when I laid it down it was sitting high, so I just pushed down on it and it snapped back underneath this black thing right here. So now we're going to go ahead and start trying to reconnect these little guys. We'll see how that goes. Easy, easy, easy. Oh, see, that corner wasn't snapped down, so I'm going to go ahead and try to make sure they're all down. Yep. Now that's secured properly. You hear them snap a little bit. Because you sure can't see it, but you can kind of feel what's happening. You can sort of feel them lining up or not. That one's not. There it goes. Alright, just mash on that good and firm there. Okay, now we're going to grab that screw that we had. Oh, doggies. I think these pieces of garbage are actually magnetic. Oh my god! Whew! These are so small. I might say the one good thing about this screwdriver set is that it's magnetic, I think. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put that screw back down in there, and this screwdriver probably won't do the job and snug it up. Oh, it did. Okay, I'm going to recheck everything's snapped down good. Alright, what was our next step, Emer?
Place it back on.
Put the back on there, eh? Which way does it go? Which way does it go?
Just flip it right over.
This way, you think?